Hello everyone and welcome back or welcome to the channel. In today's video we are looking at how to create a YouTube stats Power BI dashboard based on an RSS feed. The stats we can show on this dashboard is likes and views from the most recent videos, and that's usually around 15. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is to locate the RSS feed's URL, and we can find that by viewing the YouTube channel source and search for feed. So go to the YouTube channel page, view page source, do Control F, and then search for feeds. Here you have the RSS URL we have to use in the Power BI report as a data source. Copy it, and then in the Power BI report, go to Get Data from a web page, paste in the RSS feed URL, press OK. Now we have to transform the data. There is a lot of stuff in this RSS we don't need. What we actually need is the things we have in entry here. So we're going to expand it. Let me scroll all the way to the right. Let me expand this one. Expand it one more step. And what we are looking for is the community table here, because here we have the star rating and statistic. So the views and the likes is actually in this statistic. And we expand statistic. So here we have the views, and then we have to expand this one more time, because here we have the actual count of the likes. I'm going to clean this up a bit because we only need basically the title and the likes and the views. All right, we're going to turn these ones into a date time value. And then I'm going to rename these last columns so it's easier for us to find them in the report. Let's save and close. Let's start designing the actual dashboard. First, like a text box. Saying YouTube stats. Make the text a bit bigger as a heading. Let's style the text box to make it blend in with the rest of the design. So let's add some effects and make the background transparent. Let's add a border, make it around 4 pixels. Then let's add a shadow drop to the bottom right. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is adding filters. So let's add a filter. Now we have added a filter with the entry title, so the title of the video. Let's give that a style to match the rest of the design. So transparent, small border, drop shadow. Then let's change the font on the text. Let's add a chart or visualization to compare the views on the different videos. Right, for this one, we'll have the views. So we forgot one thing, and that is to change the type of the views, the data type. So let's do that for a second. Edit the query. Find the likes and the views. Transform. Data type. Whole number. The same for views. Data type. Whole number. Close and apply. Let's style the chart to make it blend in with the rest of the design. Add some drop shadow. Change the color a bit. Let's give it a title. This comparison. Again, let's style it a bit. Great. So the last thing that would be nice to have in this dashboard could be, for example, the count of the total views and the count of the total likes. So let's add a small label to display that. We choose the total amount of views. And let's do a bit of styling on this small data card. Let's give it a title. Let's copy that one, make one for total likes. Cool. Now we created a YouTube dashboard that shows the likes and the views of our latest 15 videos in YouTube based on our RSS feed. We can filter. We can zoom in. And we can see the total views and total likes of the selected. I hope you liked the video. If anything was unclear or you have a question, please write it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome and build awesome power apps and dashboards. See ya!